Hello everyone, today we will learn Unit 9, What's the fastest animal in the world? Lesson 4, 5 and 6. Before you start the new lesson, let's review. I have 7 pictures and 7 words: lake, mountain, waterfall, ocean, wide, deep, high. You have to look at the pictures and match. Now, let's check the correct answer. Lake with number 1. Mountain with number 3. Waterfall with number 5. Ocean with number 2. Wide with number 4. Deep with number 6. And high with number 7. Firstly, we will start with Lesson 4 Phonics. Look at the words and pictures in your student book. Listen and point.
Listening 84. Listen and point.
Rain, train, Monday, tray, case, race, case, race, rain, Monday, tray, train.
Listen and repeat.
Rain, train, Monday, tray, case, race.
Listen and chant.
Listening 85. Listen and chant. It's Monday today, and I can play. Outside there's rain, but I'm in with my trains. I open my case, and the trains have a race.
Number 3, read the chant again to find and circle the other words with I, A, or A underscore E in the chant. Today, play, rain, trains, case, trains, race. Four. Match and write. You look at the first picture and tell me the words you can see. Number 1. It's Monday. Now you have 3 minutes to do the rest of the exercise individually from number 2 to number 6. Let's check the answers. 2. Rain. 3. Case. 4. Tray. 5. Train. 6. Race. Now we move Lesson 5, Skills Time.
Listening 86. Listen and point.
World, cave, river, building, island, Island. Building. River. Cave. World.
Listen and repeat.
World. Cave. River. Building. Island.
Now you listen and follow the text silently in your books.
Listening 87. Listen and read.
Vietnam's records. Here are some interesting facts about Vietnam.
The highest mountain in Vietnam is Phan Xipang. It is 3,143 meters high. Phan Xipang is near Sapa in the north of Vietnam. There are many different types of flowers and animals.
Vietnam has one of the largest caves in the world. It is called Xuân Dung, and it is 8.9 kilometers long. The cave is so big that it has its own river. It is very famous around the world.
The longest river in Vietnam is the Dong Nai River. Many Vietnamese people live and work on the river in the south of Vietnam. There are many types of plants, fish, and birds that live near the river.
Gangnam Hanoi Landmark Tower is the tallest building in Vietnam. The building is in Hanoi and it has 72 floors. The building was finished in 2011. It has restaurants, offices, and hotels inside it.
You read again and match the sentence halves in 3 minutes. The answers. Number 1. Phan Xipang is the highest mountain in Vietnam. Number 2. Xuân Dung is the largest cave in Vietnam. Number 3. The Dong Nai River is the longest river in Vietnam. Number 4. Gangnam Hanoi Landmark Tower is the tallest building in Vietnam. Now, let's move to Lesson 6. Part 1, you listen and complete the table.
Listening 88. Listen and complete the table. 1,
What's the highest mountain in Vietnam?
Is it in Lao Cai province?
Yes, it is. And what's it called?
It's Phan Xipang Mountain.
That's right.
2,
What's the biggest lake in Vietnam?
Is it Ba Be Lake?
Yes, it is. And where is it?
It's in Bắc Can province.
Yes.
3,
What's the longest beach?
Is it Tra Co Beach?
Yes, great.
4,
What's the largest island in Vietnam?
Is it Cat Ba Island?
No, it isn't.
I know it. It's Phu Quoc Island.
Yes, it is. Very good.
Okay. Now let's check the answers. It's the end of part 1. Let's start with part 2, speaking. You work in pair and take turn to ask and answer. This is an example. What's the highest mountain in Vietnam? Phan Xipang. What's the largest lake in Vietnam? Ba Bia Lake. What's the biggest island in Vietnam? Phu Quoc Island. What's the longest beach in Vietnam? Tre Co Beach. Part 3, Writing, About me. Adverbs of frequency tell us how often something happens. We have always, sometimes and never. Always is 100%, sometimes is 40% and never is 0%. Remember that, we usually put adverbs of frequency before the verb. This is an example: I always go to the shopping mall. Before the verb. Besides that, some adverbs of frequency can go at the beginning or the end of a sentence. Look at these following examples. 1. Sometimes I go to the shopping mall. The beginning. 2. I go to the shopping mall sometimes. The end. Exercise 3. Are these sentences correct? Read and write tick or cross. Number 1. She sometimes plays chess. Number 2. Lan cooks never. Number 3. You watch DVDs sometimes. Number 4. The boys always play basketball. Number 5. Always I go swimming on Saturdays. Number 6. I always go to the lake on vacation. Okay. Now let's check the answers. Homework is exercise 4, write about you. Complete the sentence. We finish Unit 9. Thank you for watching.